This Henry Dawn high-end dresser needed an update. It had scratches on the finish and I just wanted a lighter look. First, we removed the old hardware with a screwdriver. I tested a new-to-me product to remove the finish. It's called Stripwell QCS, and it's a simple and safe but effective stripper. I wrapped all of the drawers in plastic to keep the wood stain and stripper from getting all over them. Then I sprayed a coat of stripper all over the dresser. I waited 15 minutes and then sprayed on another coat and waited another 15 minutes. And then I used a plastic scraper to remove the stain. I used 4-0 grit steel wool with some QCS on it to scrub off the stubborn spots and clean it all off. I repeated my process for each section, then I let the dresser dry. The next day I sanded the dresser with 220 grit sandpaper. Sticking with the safe, low VOC theme of this project, I chose to stain it with water-based wood stain. But I wanted to make sure that I liked the color of the wood stain before I stained all of it. So I tested it on one side, I liked how it looked, so I started the process on the rest of the dresser. I wiped everything down with a tack cloth to remove any of the dust. Then I wiped on some water-based pre-stain to help the wood absorb the stain more evenly. Then I brushed on the wood stain. I used the zebra fan brush and used the special walnut color. After it was on one section, I immediately wiped off the excess with lint-free rags until the stain looked even. I let it dry for 3 hours and then I top coated the stain. I used my favorite water-based polyurethane and a zebra top coat paintbrush. Before the last coat, I felt the surface and it was slightly rough, so I sanded everything with 400 grit sandpaper to make it all feel nice and smooth. Then I applied the last coat of polyurethane, I let it dry overnight, and then I put the hardware back on. And here's what it looks like now. It's so fresh and looks completely new again. And I loved being able to do all of this in my home without stinking it up with oil-based nasty products. What do you think of the new look? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to see more of our videos. Are you confused and not sure where to start with your furniture makeover? Don't worry, I got your back. Click the link in my comment to download our free painting checklist so you can paint your furniture as if you hired a professional to do it.